also going in a Pakistan.
And went to Pakistan before, so we decided we would like to come here because of the mountains, because of the people, because of the culture, and you have all these interesting things like Kalashi people. So yeah, and we think it's a very good destination for us because we are very happy here, and we will come back.
What are you doing by professional?
I'm a guide, 4x4 tours. Yeah, and we guide people in different part of the world, but not only in Pakistan, but all Europe since 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. You are
Marcin, my name is Marcin.
Marcin, what about the tourism? Tourism of Pakistan.
Yes, I'm,
and people and so and so.
I'm tourist from Poland, and I saw a lot of people in Pakistan, a lot nice people, and nice view, nice mountains.
Yeah. You are also looking a smart guy.
Smart guy.
You are also
Smart guy. Smart.
like personality, eh?
You know, not everybody.
What are you doing by professional? Professional. Your
I'm
profession.
physiotherapist in hospital in Poland.
Physiotherapist.
Yes.
Oh, well, like relating to doctor, huh?
Yeah, something like this.
It's also social work.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Hello, how are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
Poland. What about the tourism of Pakistan?
We are traveling around northern Pakistan, and it's a great experience.
Great experience. What about the festival of food?
We were supposed to see Kalashi women yesterday dancing, but unfortunately it didn't happen. This is very interesting experience.
Okay.
The Kalashi culture, the Pakistan is beautiful country. Now we are seeing this dying society. Actually, we not too many people left, but it's very interesting. It's completely different than the rest of Pakistan.
What is the message
What is the message for people
for people
from Poland?
and
Come to Pakistan.
Be
yes,
proud
come
of
to
Pakistan, and to people from all around the world, come to Pakistan and experience that by yourself.
All people are loving.
Yeah.
People are great,
Loving.
food is great, and the country is great. Everything is beautiful.
Okay, your good name. Your good name. Your name.
Hi.
My name?
Yes.
Krzysiek.
Krishek.
Check.
Okay. Your name, please.
Beata.
Huh?
Beata.
You are from also Poland?
Yes, we are all from Poland. All the group. Yes. 18 people.
What is your opinion about the tourism of Pakistan?
The same as my friend, because we organize this trip for the.
Follow your friend. Tell me truth.
No, yes, but we think the same because we organize this trip, me and my husband, yes, and we choose Pakistan